Okay. By using this HANA modeling views, so transport management is difficult, and if we want to write something complexity of code, then that is not possible. Just we are dragging and dropping the fields. So complexity coding we cannot write in the information model views or HANA modeling views. Different guys will spell this one in different types. Okay, HANA modeling views we will call. If you guys will call like information model views. Okay, both are same here. And still we are using some views here in the information model. Attribute, analytical, calculation view. Three types are there, right? So nowadays attribute and analytical views are absoluted. We are not using those things, and we are using some calculation views only. Okay, and that too rare cases, not frequently. In support projects, we will get those type of views, calculation views like that. In certification, we will get the questions from attribute view, analytical view, calculation view like that. Okay, fine. And let me continue. Attribute views. I will go to HANA Modeler perspective, database layer. I'm just going. This is fine. Attribute view, you just know about this one. And now double click here. Okay, and click on execute once. Click on raw data. Fine, MKTX is coming. And here one more option is there. Something calculated columns is there. Okay, calculated columns. So whatever the fields we are selecting here, just I'm giving the data foundation, I'm giving something tables, and here I'm just giving something links and fields I'm selecting here, right? And after that one, here something column names are coming, fine. And here calculated column is there. So what is this calculated column here? Okay, now if you want to add something column here extra, okay, here something columns are coming. So other than these columns, I want to add one more column, but based on some condition or something, I mean, something functionality, I want to add one more column here. So then we will go to calculated column. Now the requirement is the data is coming in the capital, small letters and some title case like that. Now I want to display one more column. In that column, I want to convert this all text in the capital letters. Okay, here I don't have any measurements, something quantity field or price field like that. Okay, so we will check those all things in the analytical view. At the time you can get bit more detail, okay, about this calculated column. Okay, so now I am just explaining how to convert the data from lowercase title case to uppercase like that by using some calculated column. I will discuss about this calculated column once again in the analytical view. Right click on it, click on new button. Here I am just giving material description. Okay, and what type of data it should contain here? Varchar. Actually, in ABAP player, we will use something character, right? CHAR, char 10, char 50. So like that we will give here. Coming to the HANA database, we have to give something varchar. Okay, varchar or n varchar. This is the latest one, new varchar. Okay, n varchar is nothing but new varchar. So nowadays, SAP is preferring this one, n varchar instead of varchar. Varchar is the previous data type, and now SAP is introducing this n varchar, and it will support to any language. I mean, if I want to move the data from HANA to something Oracle or HANA to something other softwares are there. Okay, some Python is there nowadays, so some machine learning is there. So if you want to move this data to those type of systems, then this ncar will interact with those systems easily. Okay, so if we take this varchar, it is supporting for a few systems, and a few systems are not supporting this varchar. So n varchar is supporting, so for every system. Okay, so I am selecting n varchar here, and I am giving something 35 is the length, and here we have to give something expression, some conditions, some functions. Okay, and you can see something functions here, some conversion functions is there. If you expand this one, date is there. So if you want to convert the date, for example, date is something uh, uh, year, month, and date. In this format, the data will save in the SAP. If you want to convert this one like date dot month dot year, otherwise I want to display something month first, month dot date dot year, like that. Otherwise year I want to display first. So in that format, if you want to do any changes, then we have to go for date. Okay, date. And some other functionalities also are there, some integer, int, float. Okay, so we have discussed about float. uh, okay, something time, string. So some functionalities are there here in this folder. Okay. Now just minimize this folder here, and string functions also is there. So here, is there any here? Expand this bit. Okay, fine. Now something upper is there. Okay, I want to convert the text into uppercase, right? So just double click on it here, upper. So upper is coming here and the string is coming here, right? So instead of this string, we have to provide the field name. So which field you want to convert into uppercase? So you can see the column names here. Just expand this columns folder here, and MAKTX. Okay, I want to convert this MAKTX into uppercase. Just double click on this one. Okay, here the field name is coming here. If you want to write directly, you can directly write, no issue. Okay, but if you mistake something, some single quotation, the double quotation, like that, it will throw some errors. And click on validate syntax here. So valid expression, click on OK button and click on OK button. Okay, now save and validate the view and activate the view. Okay, and execute the view. Click on raw data, and we can see something MATDAS, material description, in the separate column, and all the text is converted into uppercase. Okay, and I will give something condition also, based on some condition, if, else, if, like there's some conditions in the analytical view. I will explain you, then you can understand a bit easily. Okay, and here that join. Okay, so I'm just giving the linking this material number to this material, and join type I have mentioned like text join. Okay, so whenever we are working this type of things, something SPRES is there. Okay, just blindly check one thing. So in this table, SPRES is there or not? Okay, and this SPRES is in key field or not? Two things we have to check. SPRES field is there or not, and this is a key field or not. So you have to check like that. If it is key field, then this is a text table only. Okay, we will get some more text tables also in SAP. Okay, so if you get any table, then check SPRES is there or not, and it is a key field or not. If it is key field, then this is a text table. At that time, we have to go for text join here. The performance will be very high compared to inner join, left outer join, right outer join, like that, because we are working on text only. Right? So at that time, we have to take here something text join. Okay, double click on it. That link yellow color line is there, right? Double click on it, and now we can see something type as join type as something text join, right? So this is, in this case, we have to work on text join. Okay, and left outer join, right outer join, and inner join. These three concepts you already know. In ABAP layer, we have worked on in a joins concept. At that time, inner join, left outer join, we have worked. From 4.6c onwards, this right outer join also will work. Okay, and text join extra added here. Okay, in this information model view or HANA modeling views, the text join and reference join have added extra. Okay, so in this case, we will go for text join. Fine, click on OK button. activate it. Now I will create one more view here. Okay, so if you want to create one more view, then here right click on attribute view and click on new here. Okay. And here I will go for AT_, something customer information. Okay, attribute view for customer information. Okay, fine. And here attribute view is coming, and here something subtype is coming, standard time derived is coming, right? I will discuss it now. Okay, so first of all, I will create the standard only. After that one, I will come to time and derived, and click on finish button here. And now here I want to add something KNA1 table information, customer information, right? So add the table here by clicking on plus symbol, and this is one option. Okay, by clicking on this plus symbol, we can add the table here. Otherwise, you can expand the catalog and expand the HANA database, SAP HANA DB, the schema here, right? So expand that one, and this is that one, and expand the tables here, and so I am just filtering for KNA1 table. So KNA1 is coming here. Just drag and drop here. KNA1 added here. Okay, so this is different way, or we can search directly. Here in the previous class, I have mentioned like we have to maintain the main DT field like that. Okay, but in this case, not required. Okay, in this case, not required. Actually, in the semantics tab, we can see something. Session client. Okay, the default client is the session client. Session client is nothing but, so whatever the client we have opened now, okay, client 800, client 600, something client we will open, right, while opening the server by using user ID and password, we have to give the client also, right? So with that client only the data will fetch here. Okay, not required to select any MANDT here. That is not mandatory thing here. Okay, if you want, you can select, no issue, but not mandatory here. And in work, I mean in native SQL, okay, next concept is that one only. So at that time we have to write this MANDT field manually. Okay, that is a mandatory thing, but here that is not mandatory thing. Here I am selecting something customer number and name and OT01 and land one. Fine. I am selecting something 4 columns from this KNA1, and I want to add. Okay, I want to add something a region also. Okay, region. So region is not available in KNA1 table. The region is available in ADRC table. Okay, and here I will add ADRC table also. Just click on this plus button, and here I'm adding something ADRC. Click on enter. Then it will show the list of ADRC tables are available in different schemas. Now here I am just double clicking on this ADRC, and it will come like this. And here AD, I mean this is the key field. Address number is the key field. And in KNA1 also we can find out something field name as ADDRN number. Something I will search for that one. ADRNR. Fine. So this is the field here, address number, ADRNR, and we have to give a link. Okay, we have to give link from this one to this one. Okay, where is it? Address number. Field names are different here. In KNA1 table, ADRNR is the field name, and in ADRC table, ADDR number is the field name. Okay, and here if you double click it here, by default referential join is coming. Okay, this is the question interview or in the certification. Okay, what is the default join in the views in attribute view, analytical or calculation like that. Okay, default join is referential join only. Okay, if you want to change it to inner join, you can change it, or left outer join, right outer join, or text join, whatever it is. Default join referential join is referential only. Fine. Fine. Here I am just selecting something fields from uh, uh, AD as a table. Okay, the region is available in this AD as a table, so I am searching for that one. The field name is region. Okay, region is available here. Just select it here. And if you see something, 4 columns are coming. Punar name one, what is one, land one. If I'm selecting this one, automatically one more column is coming, region here. Okay, fine. Now here I have given something referential join. What is this referential join? It has added here in the newly it is added, referential join added newly. So what is the meaning of this one? Okay, just assume I'm creating something sales orders. Okay, VBAK. So something sales orders are coming. So here, while creating the sales order, we need to give something customer number. Without customer number, the sales order will not create. That is a mandatory thing here, right? So I will give, S1 number will generate here. Okay, S1 number and customer number and document date. Something will create like this, right? From the data will save in the KNA1. Sorry, VBAK table. VBAK table, it will create like that. But before that one, we have to create some customers also. Okay, some customers also we need to create. So at that time, I will give the customer number. Customer number will generate automatically. Just I am uh, explaining like after giving the details and after clicking on save button, the number will generate, the number will save in change event table. That's what I'm filling here. And the customer number will save here, customer number and customer name. Okay, and something details will come, some address or some email ID, phone number, something details will come in the K11 table. Fine. Now, without this data, without this customer number, is it possible to create any sales order? That's not possible here. Okay, without any customer, we cannot create any sales order. Okay, so we have created something sales order by using something customer number, means the data will available in K11 table. That is must and should 100%. Right, in this case we should not check the data is available or not in KNA1 table. Okay, I'm just writing something VBAK KNA1 joins I'm writing here. At that time I will use something inner join. Okay, inner join we have to write. So if we write like that, what will happen? System has to check externally so that value is there or not. Okay, if the value is there, then it will pick the data by using inner join. So SAP is introducing one more referential join here, right? So in this case, what will happen? System will not check. Okay, the customer number 123, 123, it is available or not. System has to check first of all. Okay, but if you use the referential join, system will not check this one. Directly, it will go to this table and it will pick the data 123. It will not check for that one. It is the background job. This is not the front end job. This is the background job. 123. System will not check the data is available or not. Directly, it will pick the data 123 blindly. It is, externally, it is not checking anything. Okay, externally, it is not checking means it is the time consumption is reducing here. Okay, to pick the value from KNA1 table, the time is reducing. Okay, here I am just telling for only one customer number. If you go to real time, we will get n number of some thousands of customers. At that time, how much time will save here? So checking and picking like that, only picking the record, because 100% the value will be there. Otherwise, I mean, there is no other alternate way here. Okay, if we maintain the data, then only the main data, the sales order data will create here. Otherwise, it will not create. So that is why blindly it will go to the table and it will pick the data. The performance is very high. Okay, so that is the concept of referential join here. So here I'm just giving ADR NR, and I'm just giving the ADR NR to address number to the ADRC table. So directly it will go to this table and it will pick the region number. It will not check some anything here. It is there or not like that. It will not check. Directly it will pick the data. This is a background job. The performance will be very high here, and it will work like inner join only. In the interview, they may ask the question, so what is the difference between reference join and inner join? Both are same. The functionality is same. The data is fetching the data is same, but the performance is bit faster compared to inner join. Reference join is bit faster. Okay, so it will not check the data is available or not in the table. Just it will pick the data. That's it. So that's why we will go for reference join, and by default reference join only SAP is preferring here. Fine. And now click on semantics button here, and here something columns. Okay, and here all the types are coming like dimension only. Okay, dimension is nothing but in HANA terms we will call it as the dimension. Like character is there. Okay, character is there in ABAP terms. We will call like a character integer like that we will spell, right? And here dimension we will call for the character data type fields. Okay, and we have to provide something key fields here. Puna KNR I am just taking here and check it. Is there any save and validate it? So it is running here. So now completed, and activate it. So running. Okay, successfully completed. Now execute it. Click on raw data. Okay, something data is coming, and here something analytics is there, something distinct value is there. So analytics I will explain in analytical view, then you can understand bit easily. Okay, so it is nothing but the data will display in the graphical manner. So if you have something quantity field or price field, then you can understand more easily. So that's why I will explain this analytics tab in the analytical view. And distinct value is coming. So distinct value is nothing but, for example, here I am using something land one. Okay, country key I am just using here. So in this KNA1 table, India is the field. I mean, India is the value in land one. Okay, so 74%. Okay, 74% of records India is there. Okay, Indian customers are 74% and US customers are 17.3%, and Germany customers are 2.7. So in this way we can just find out. For example, I will go to something region here. Okay, AP. So here AP customers 15% is there in this table. Okay, Tamil Nadu, it is 10% is there in the table. Like that we can find out here some distinct values. Okay, and raw data. This is the actual data. Okay, fine. Fine. Now, I think most of the things I have covered in this attribute view, and coming to the analytical view. Okay, in attribute view, we can add only dimensions, means character data, master data only we can add. If we add something measures like something price quantity like that, then system will consider it as the dimension only. Okay, system will consider as character data type only. And coming to the analytical tab, so analytical view. Okay, here we can join. We can join one transaction table with multiple tables or attribute views. In attribute view, we can join only master data tables. N number of master data tables we can join here, but transaction data we cannot add. Okay, we cannot add in the attribute view. And coming to the analytical view, we can join one transaction table with multiple master data tables or multiple attribute views like that. Okay, so here I will take one requirement. Okay, in attribute view, I have missed something, right? Sorry, where is it? I have missed something. Subtypes are there, some standard and some derived and time like that. Okay, I will explain. I will explain that one also. And here, uh, so here transaction data, I will go for VBAP. Okay, and I will match VBAK also. Some information I will match from VBAK and VBAP. In VBAP, I can get the something quantity field and net price like that. I will get it here. Right? Fine. Okay, one transaction table. Transaction table VBAP is okay, and after that one I am just mapping with VBAK. Fine. If you want to take it as the attribute view, then also no issue. VBAK as the attribute view, then also there is no issue. Okay, fine. Now I have created. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Here I have created something material and something customer. Two attribute views I have created, right? So for that one, ATM square material. Okay, ATM square material. This is the attribute view. It is containing something master data, and I will go to one more attribute view I have created, that is ATM square customer. Okay, ATM square customer. Fine. This is fine. Now I will create one more attribute view, that is AT underscore plan. Okay, AT underscore plan. I will explain you why what is the use of this one. And I will create one more attribute view, and this is containing something AT underscore sales order. Okay, some dates. Some dates. Here I will not take any VBAK. I will take it as the fine. Okay, in this ATM square SO, I will take the VBAK table. Then they're not required to join here. Okay, so this transaction data, this VBAP data is joining with multiple master data here. Okay, multiple master data. Here in SAP HANA terms, we will call it the fact table. Okay, in VBAP the fact table means it is containing something price or quantity. Okay, something number data it is containing. So then this is called as the fact table. Okay, if it is master data, then that is the dimension table. Okay, in SAP terms or in BIBW also we will spell in this way, some dimension and some fact like that. Okay, so the transaction data is surrounding with multiple attribute data, sorry, dimension data. Okay, the fact table is joining with multiple dimension tables or master table. Okay, and this is called here something star schema. In SAP certification, we will get the question regarding star schema. Star schema is nothing but this one only. Okay, transaction data is surrounding with multiple master datas. Okay, so this is the VBAP information, and this VBAP is connecting with customer. VBAP is connecting with material. VBAP is connecting with plan. VBAP is connecting with some sales order header data and some date wise. Okay, so I want to display something materials. Sorry, I want to display something sales order based on the materials. Okay, which material is sold out highly. Okay, so I have created the company in 2022 only. Okay, from January to December, which material has sold out highly. Okay, I will concentrate on that material and I will improve some more. I will add some more features to that material. Okay, I'm producing something laptops. Okay, so the laptops, something on laptop is selling highly. So in that laptop, I will add some more features. Okay, otherwise something plant. So from which plant? So one company is there. So that company is containing something multiple plants. Plants are available in Hyderabad or in Bangalore and Mumbai like that. So which plant is selling more materials here? Okay. So in which location the sales are very high? In Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Which location? In which location the sales are very high? Okay. And a customer, coming to customers. So which customer is ordering the materials highly? Okay, I have different customers, but which customer is purchased more items from us? Okay, and coming to this one, data I'm taking here, right? Now I want to display the data, the quarter wise, the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, how much sales happened. First quarter, how much sales, second quarter, how much sales, third quarter, how much sales. Okay, the first quarter and that too some month wise also. The first quarter 3 months will be there. The first month how much, second month how much, third month how much. So in that way, if you want to display the data, then this is the correct place. Okay, analytical view is there, right? So this is the correct place to create this type of data here. And this is looking like some star shape. Okay, in middle some VBAP is there, and in the corners some customer information, some date information, plant material information is there. Okay, so this is the star schema here. This is the certification question, star schema. Okay, transaction data is surrounding with or joining with multiple dimension tables or multiple master tables. Fine. Now I have created this ATN square customer and ATN square material. Now I will go to ATN square plant and ATN square SO also. Then I will come to analytical view. So attribute views, two attributes I have to create, right? So right click on attribute view and click on next button. Now I will go for AT underscore something plant. Okay, AT underscore plant. Plant information is coming here. Plant info, and here also I am just maintaining standard only. Okay, I will discuss these two types, time and their bit later. Bit later means after the standard. Click on finish button. Now here I want to add something, tables, MARA. Okay, MARA, and as well as plant information is available in MARC also. And you may ask one question here, in material, AT material is there, right? So here only we can add the MARC table. No issue, you can add here also. Okay, for this scenario, okay, for this scenario, AT underscore plant is separately I have taken, right? So for that purpose, I am creating one more attribute view here. Otherwise, you can create in this AT underscore material also, you can add that MARC, no issue. Okay, here I have maintained something MARA table and MARC table. And from this one, I am just selecting material number, okay, from MARA table. Okay, and here WR case I am just maintaining. WR case. Otherwise, you can take only MARC table, not required any join, these type of things. Only MARC. Okay, give the link here from MATNET to WRKS. And go to semantics. Already referential join will come here. You can see this one referential. Click on semantics and check the key field, save and validate the data and activate it, execute it. Okay, something data test is coming. I will check it. Okay, SAP HANA DB only. Okay, we will see it tomorrow. These two things I will check it tomorrow. Already time will, I mean, the call will disconnect in 1 minute. Okay, this plant information and the ATM score SO, and in attribute view, time subtype is time and type is derived. So tomorrow we will discuss, and after that one I will go for this view, analytical view. Okay, and anyone have doubts up to here? Any doubts? Any questions? Okay, then if you don't have, then we can close this call. Okay, tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.